So my name is Mike Morrisroe. I'm the head of UK campaigns based in England, and I'm responsible for working with the MOD to deliver capability to our frontline users. For us, the International Military Helicopter Conference represents a fantastic opportunity to engage not just with our UK MOD customers, but international customers and partners within industry to discuss and engage on what the future nature and issues might be associated with vertical lift. So whereas there are a number of shows around the world which focus upon defence and defence equipment, the International Military Helicopter Conference is one of only a very few events which focus upon vertical lift, which gives us the ideal opportunity to engage with senior stakeholders and decision makers within both the UK Ministry of Defence but also our international customers.